Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. I don't know how long it's been. It's been some days. I just posted Bajillion 154. This is Bajillion 155. We're gonna put some music on and we're gonna get right into it, y'all. Right here in the green on page 74. Right here in the green on page 74. Let me get the music going. I'll be right back, y'all. Hold tight. All right. Like I said in the beginning, 30 seconds ago, it's been a couple days, so and I'm still not fully recovered, y'all. I'm still not fully recovered. I need at least 2 weeks off just to do absolutely positively nothing. That's what I need. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna get right into it, y'all. Continuing on her way, groping the wall as she went, Martha Louise was stunned to find the kitchen completely engulfed in smoke. But there was no fire. Standing on a chair over the sink holding an empty pot that once held her lima beans was Jacob. I had lima beans yesterday, y'all. I got lima beans for breakfast this morning, y'all. Yeah. That's kind of crazy that my wife decided to make some lima beans. But yeah, let me take me a sip of coffee. Yeah, the lima beans were so good too. Smoked turkey neck. If you want to do lima beans the right way, smoked turkey neck is the way to go for a lot of things. And it's because of my wife. And my wife is not even Southern. She's a California girl. But she I think one of her coworkers told her how to make collard greens and lima beans without pork. Smoked turkey necks. That's the way to go. Smoked turkey necks is the way to go. Forget about the smoked turkey wings. Forget about smoked neck bones and ham hocks. If you want to do that, do it. But I'm trying to, lower my pork intake and beef. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing smoked turkey wings. Smoked turkey necks, I'm sorry. Speaking of my wife, she just texted me. Let me pause this. Alright, I'm back. Oh, I gotta put my music back on. Hold on. Put the music back on. Excuse me. Alright. Continuing on her way, groping the wall as she went, Martha Louise was stunned to find the kitchen completely engulfed in smoke. But there was no fire. Standing on a chair over the sink, holding an empty pot that once held her lima beans, was Jacob. The boy has sustained third-degree burns on both arms. "I only wanted a chili bear," said Jacob with tears as curtains of skin hung from his forearms, standing there astonished and terrified beyond belief, removing her hand from her mouth. She said to the boy, "Chili bear?" After that day, whenever Jacob came over for whatever reason, in the freezer was a cup of frozen Kool-Aid awaiting him, better known to most Charlestonians as a chili bear. That particular moment was no different. "Oh, here you go," the woman said. Got something different for both of you." Opening the freezer, a cloud of cool fog poured out. She went in and took out 2 small, colorful Dixie cups. "I call it rainbow rope," she explained. "See the different colors? There's blueberry on the top. There's blueberry on the bottom, then cherry, strawberry mixed in on top of that. Next is lemon. And on the very top is orange. You boys see? I made it just for you." "Yep, I see it and taste it," Frederick replied, with his tongue deep within the cup. "Well, first you gotta take it Well, first you got to take it out, Frederick. Then flip it. Said his great-grandmother. It's good, Jacob said, as he'd already flipped his and was now working on removing all of the blueberry. This is very good. So, what did you all come to get? Asked Miss Louise. Alright, so now, I'm sorry, I promise you all when this book is done, it'll read way, I mean, it reads well now, it's just, only if y'all knew. So this is going to be green now, we just moved forward a little bit. Now I got to go back, I know I got to go back to Shug, because Shug was having a flashback or something like that, right? We'll figure that out. I may have to go back a little bit. But anyways, temporarily stumped, the idea of stealing some of Shug's moonshine had all but left their thoughts. Huh? Said Jacob. What was it that you needed? Oh, what was it? Not was it. What was it that you needed from the garage? I'll get it. You boys just stay right here and enjoy your chili bears. I ain't too old to go looking for things, you know. Okay, said Frederick without thinking. Taste buds seized by the sugary treat. Jacob nearly second Frederick's reply before realizing the woman's proposal. No. I mean, don't worry for yourself. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is how writing gets done, y'all. I mean, I don't know what y'all want. Don't worry about it. We'll get it. It's a baseball glove. It's probably buried under a lot of stuff. As a matter of fact, thank you so much. I think this is your best yet, Jacob smiled. When they make their way to the garage, oh my goodness, but come on, man, you know I gotta be doing stuff, no? When they make their way to the garage, Frederick turned on the lights, and there it was. In a corner, neatly tucked away, a fort of boxes, tarped. Let me see. Yeah, please remember, y'all, I hadn't read this in probably years. I don't even know how long it's been since I read this part. So I have no idea what I'm reading here. When they make their way to the garage, Frederick turned on the lights, and there it was, in a corner, neatly tucked behind a fort of boxes, tarped, was Shug's supply of moonshine. Neither of the boys had ever tasted the stuff. Oh. Yeah, this is why I hadn't touched none of the stuff. This is all new territory, y'all. So obviously they have tasted the stuff, okay. So neither of the boys ever tasted the stuff and would be in for a treat, but nothing had prepared them for what they were about to get themselves into, okay. I'm just clearing out a few boxes, then removing the tarp. I gotta sneeze now. Okay. A lot of distractions this morning. Oh, thank you for the God blessing. All right. When they make their way to the garage, Frederick turned on the lights, and there it was, in a corner, neatly tucked behind a fort. Say a fort. Yeah, still sneezing though. Sorry. When they make their way to the garage, Frederick turned on the lights, and there it was, in a corner neatly tucked behind a fort of boxes. Tarped with Shugs. When they make their way to the garage, Frederick turned on the lights, and there it was, in a corner neatly tucked behind a fort of boxes. There should be a period. Excuse me. Tart was Shug's moonshine. I'll come back to that, y'all. I gotta keep moving right now. If I don't keep moving, I'm gonna bog down. Nothing joking, but clearing out a few boxes, then removing the tarp. They counted 23 1-gallon recycled jugs. Some were old milk jugs, others were held. Some were old milk jugs, others once held some kind of juice. All were filled to the brim with liquor. What's in that one? Jacob pointed to one particular jug that had been colored, not transparent like the others. That had been colored, not transparent like the others. That had been colored. That had been a brown color. That had been a What's in that one? Jacob pointed to one particular jug that had been one particular jug. One particular jug. One particular jug. One particular jug, a brownish color, not transparent like the others. I don't know, said Frederick. It's supposed to be clear, like water. Okay, we're taking some of that. Okay, so, man, I'm gonna have to move all of this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move all of this because they've already spiked the punch with the stuff, and Jacob has already put some in his thermos. So all of this is gonna have to move to a different location. I mean, it's fine, but it's not. This is after the fact, so all right. All this is gonna have to move. Okay. Okay, we're taking some of that, said Jacob, with a new air of excitement. The boy pulled out a mason jar he'd taken from underneath the kitchen cabinet. Hurry, pour some in here, he ordered Frederick. Are you sure about this? Excuse me. Oh man, it's been a rough 14 minutes and 30 seconds, y'all. So we're about to end this here in a little bit. We're about to end this in a little bit. This has been a rough one. And we'll look back at these videos, you know, and be like, damn, wow, this is a struggle. Yeah. Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's like that. Well, it's been 15 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna make this red. We're gonna stop right here. I'm not gonna continue this right now because I gotta use the bathroom. I gotta go water my garden. I gotta get ready for work. There's a lot of stuff I got going on, so we're gonna stop it right here. Thank y'all for stopping by, and just remember we gotta move all this whole section here. Gotta move somewhere up earlier in the story. But y'all be blessed. Till next time.